Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the device powered and discoverable. Now act. First, open Start and choose Settings, then Devices. Once in Devices, select Bluetooth and other devices so you see the main pairing panel. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is set to On. This enables the radio. Next, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device. This begins the Windows scan. You do this because Windows needs to enumerate local radios and nearby peripherals before listing available devices for pairing. Once you click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, choose Bluetooth to initiate discovery. Windows will actively scan nearby devices. Make sure your device remains in pairing mode so it appears in the list. When the device name shows up, click it. This tells Windows which peripheral you want. If a PIN or pairing code appears, compare it to the device display and accept or type the code. This secures the connection. After confirmation, Windows negotiates settings and installs drivers automatically. Once connected, check Bluetooth and other devices to confirm the status shows connected. This ensures profiles are active. If audio or input doesn't work immediately, open Action Center to toggle Bluetooth or reconnect quickly. For persistent failures, restart the Bluetooth service. Press Windows plus R, type services. MSC, find Bluetooth support service, restart it, then retry pairing. This addresses driver handshake issues. If problems continue, reboot the PC and device. Restarting clears transient radio conflicts and memory states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.